Students, good morning. We'll continue with the modern wireless communication, unit 3, which is personal communication services. So when you are telling personal communication services, the first thing which is coming to mind is GSM. So what is GSM? GSM is Global System for Mobile Communication. So now we'll study deep into this GSM. GSM is nothing but Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a digital mobile network community utilized by mobile phone users around the world. GSM, the most popular of three digital wireless telephony system. What are the three digital wireless telephony system? TDMA, GSM, and CDMA. So among all these three, the most popular is with this GSM. GSM converts and compresses the data before sending it along a channel with two other streams of user data within its time slot. So what is GSM? GSM is a global standard for mobile. It's an open and digital cellular technology used for mobile communication system. It supports four different frequency bands, which is 850 megahertz, 900 megahertz, and 1800 megahertz, and also 1900 megahertz. It uses the combination of FDMA and TDMA technology. So this is the fundamental structure of GSM system. Coming to the properties of GSM. GSM properties. GSM properties means actually it is used in cellular radio network of 2G thing. So as I said, it is fully digital and integrated data transmission system, and here roaming facilities is available, so the mobility is feasible since roaming is done. The mobility between different network operators is feasible, and good transmission quality, and hence the quality of service is more, no error will be there. It can be easily scalable and secure mechanisms because of authentication, authorization and encryption. It is secure communication, security is high, and then this can be used for good resource use because of this frequency and time division multiplexing. So resource use can be done successfully with the help of multiplexing techniques and integration with fixed telephone network. So already we have fixed network, in that also it can be easily integrated, and the standard is ETSA, European Telecommunication Standards of Institute. So these are the important properties of GSM. So now let us see about this GSM architecture. So GSM architecture consists of three important frame structure. One is fixed network. The other part is switching subsystem. And the next one is radio subsystem. So when you are talking about the fixed network, you can say you can have data networks and PSTN network. So here you can have this authentication center, base station, subsystem, and then a transceiver station, equipment identification. So all these things will be here in this switching system, where the important things which has to be mentioned is visitor location register, and then HLR, host register, authentication center, and equipment identification register. So these are the important registers which will be there inside this thing, so that the call management can be done efficiently. And then coming to the radio subsystem, where we will have base switching center, BTS, mobile station, base switching center. So all these things will be coming under this. So interlocking or interfacing each other and working simultaneously will lead to good quality service without any drop of call. This architecture enhances this service for the mobile subscriber. So BSS means base station subsystem. So base station subsystem handles traffic and signaling between mobile phone and the network switching subsystem. BSS having two components, that is BTS and BSC, and NSS stands for network and switching system. NSS is the core network of GSM that carried out call and mobility management functions for the mobile phone present in the network. So in NSS have different components like this VLR, HLR, authentication, etc. And OSS stands for operating subsystem, and its function entity which in the network operator monitor and control the system. OMC is a part of OSS. Purpose of OSS is to offer the customer cost-effective support for all GSM-related maintenance services. Suppose there are 3 mobile stations which are connected with the tower, and that tower is connected to BTS through the transmitter and further connected to BSC and MSC. Let's understand the functionality of different components like mobile station. MS stands for mobile station. Mobile station comprises user equipment and software needed for communications with the mobile network. So mobile station is equal to mobile equipment plus subscriber identity module, that is called as SIM. Now these mobile stations are connected to tower, and the tower connected with BTS through the TRX, that is transceiver. Is comprises of transmitter and receiver. Transceiver has two performance of sending and receiving messages. And BTS stands for base transceiver system, which facilitates wireless communication between the user equipment and the network. Hence, every tower has BTS. And BSC stands for base station controller. BSC has a multiple BTS who can consider the BSC as a local exchange of your area, which has multiple towers, and multiple towers have BTS. So now with this basic understanding, we can see what mobile switching center MSC is associated with communication switching functions while the call is set up, and call releases in the routing, call tracking, call forwarding. All functions are performed at the mobile switching center level itself. And then MSC has a further components like these VLR, HLR, all those things. So what is VLR? VLR stands for Visitor Location Register. So VLR is a database which contains the exact location of all the mobile subscribers currently present in the service area of MSC. If you're going from one station to another station, then you try your entry is marked in the database of VLR. HLR is home location register. HLR is a database contains pertaining data regarding subscriber authorized to use GSM network. If your purchase SIM card form in the HLR, then HLR is a home which contains all the data like your ID proof, which plan you are taking, which caller tune you are using, etc. will be done in HLR. And then AUC. AUC is nothing but authentication center. It authenticates the mobile subscriber that wants to connect to the network. And EAR stands for Equipment Identification Register. EAR is a database that keeps the record of all allowed or banned in the network. If the banned in the network, then you can't enter the network and you can't make the calls. Then PSTN. PSTN stands for Public Switch Telephone Network. PSTN connects with MSC. PSTN originally a network of a fixed line analog telephone system. Now almost entirely digital in its core network and includes mobile and other network as well. Hence fixed telephone. The earlier landline phones which plays at home is nothing but PSTN. Okay. So now OMC stands for Operating Maintenance Center. OMC monitor and maintains the performance of each MSC, BS, MS within a GSM system. So overall maintenance will be taken care of by the OMC. So now we'll see about the interfaces. So three subsystem which we studied already, that is BSS, NSS and OSS are connected with each other via interface. These three interfaces are called as AIR interface. This AIR interface is also known as a UM interface. The interface between MS and BTS is called as UM interface because it is mobile analog to U interface of ISDN. And this is one important interface. The next one is ABIS interface. It is BSS internal interface linking with BTS and BSE. And next one is A interface. It provides communication between BSE and MSE. So all engineers should know this GSM has three interface. One is AR interface, another one is ABS interface, another one is A interface. So these three interfaces are important to understand the interfacing techniques in GSM architecture. And the next one is we will see about the GSM protocols and incoming call. So in GSM protocol, first one is call must call from fixed network was switched via GMSC. And next point is GMSC finds out HLR from the phone number. And then third protocol is HLR checks whether participant is authorized or corresponding service and ask for MSRN to responsible VLR. Okay, now MSRN, what it will do? It will return to GMSC and now contact a responsible MSC. And then fifth one is GMSC transmit calls to current MSC. And sixth one is The ask state for mobile station. And then 7 is information whether end terminal is active. End terminal is active. And call to call cells of location area. 8 one is call to all cells in the location area. And 9 is answer from end terminal. And then 10 to 12 security check and connection setup. So this is the protocol which has to be followed in a GSM technique for an incoming call. Students, I hope you have understood this. So